How to edit voiceover in Audiate. First of all, open Audiate and import your voiceover audio file. Audiate will automatically transcribe the audio into editable text, allowing you to see your spoken words as text on the screen. This makes editing much faster and more intuitive. Next, review the transcription carefully and correct any errors by clicking on the text and typing the right words. Accurate transcription is important for precise editing. To remove mistakes or unwanted parts, simply highlight the corresponding text and press delete. Audiate will cut the matching audio segment automatically, so you don't have to manually find a spot in the waveform. You can also rearrange sections of your voiceover by cutting and pasting text. This moves the audio clips accordingly, helping you restructure your recording without re-recording. For improving audio quality, use Audiate's built-in effects like noise removal, volume leveling, and equalizer. These tools help make your voiceover sound clear and professional. After making your edits, listen through the entire voiceover to ensure smooth transitions and consistent sound. Make any final adjustments by tweaking the text or audio clips. Finally, export your edited voiceover in your desired audio format, ready for use in your projects. And that's it. Now you know how to edit voiceover in Audiate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.